Thank you so much to Sherry Watkins, who's the OB manager. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
This one's been fussy. She wanted to eat the whole thing. They're fixing it first. Oh, I guess. Oh, yeah. You're probably going to cry.
Latch On, it's our first year, and hopefully it'll happen in subsequent years. And even though New York State law allows women to breastfeed in any public location in which she is allowed to be in, and it celebrated its 21st anniversary of that law this year, we continue to hear of moms who are asked to go to the restroom or cover up or leave. So today we wanted to shine a spotlight on some businesses and organizations that have made positive and lasting impacts on infant and child to give away, and that's for Pam Harmon, who was 1,000. Thank you also to Colleen Flynn. Thank you to Jan Dentino for face painting, and to Aubrey Kingston for the balloon.